All right, hello everybody. This is a recap of the trade taken in this session. I'm just going to cover what I took here, why I took it, and what I was looking for. So as you can see, price off market open was just expanding aggressively to the upside. And so what I noticed that there was a chance for us to go to all-time highs. And so of course that is a bit of a riskier trade. I knew that, took that into account. And so I saw that we were expanding, disregarding these buy side liquidity levels here. So we took this buy side, we took another one lower and just continued past it, not paying much attention to it. So I said, okay, all-time highs is definitely a possibility. We'll take that into account. And so these two gaps formed here to this point. I said, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bit of a riskier trade. I told everyone I'm sizing down for this, and majority of my position comes off at the all-time highs. I was basically playing that here, basically playing that NQ would go to the all-time highs and expand above it, past it. So that was the risk I was willing to take, and so I was gonna take full partials 32 points around past the draw there, the all-time highs. And so what we did here to this point was majority of my position, over half, would come off at the all-time highs, expanding, continuation off this buy side liquidity. That's what I was playing. And so if we tapped into the all-time high, stops will go at break even, just because I don't want to take that risk. If we go beyond it and take full take profit, nice, but I'm not going to risk that. And so as you can see off that entry, price was consolidating for a bit, and then we expanded here to TP1. So took partials there. I got a pretty generous fill actually, so and then we went stops to break even there. And so this was around 24, 25 points roughly taken there. And so then I went stops to break even. So more over half of my position off there, riding the rest to this or break even. And so profitable trade regardless. I know many of you caught it with me, and so I was willing to just let this run. Obviously, because we're at all-time highs here, there's nothing to aim at. And so that's why I was out at break even here when we took the all-time highs there. Majority of my position was off here for that reason. And so from that point, we came in and stopped me out at break even here. And so that was the trade. 25 points around for TP1. Majority of the position off there, and then runners at break even there, just because we were at all-time highs, and so not willing to take much more of a risk there. And so that is the trade recap. Saw the expansion off market open, saw that there was a possibility for all-time highs, and that's exactly what we got. So thanks for listening. That was the trade recap. 15 wins out of 16 trades now. So 15 wins in 16 trades. 8 win streak right now, and we'll see if we can continue that. So take care, everybody.